Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need admin rights and a stable power source before you begin. This prevents interruptions and permission blocks. First, open Device Manager by pressing Windows plus X and selecting Device Manager, or type Device Manager into Start and press Enter. Once open, make sure no VPN or external USB network adapters are connected. They can mask the internal device. Now, click View in the menu bar. This next step reveals items that are hidden by default and prepares you to locate. Once you enable View and Show Hidden Devices, Device Manager lists adapters that were previously hidden, often grayed out. These are what you want. Make sure to expand network adapters and look for names with faded icons or warning symbols. Those indicate disabled, ghosted, or driver-failed devices. If you see the adapter, right-click it, choose Enable to restore it, update driver if the hardware is present but needs software, or uninstall, then later scan for hardware changes if the entry is corrupted. After you enable or reinstall the adapter, use Action and scan for hardware changes to make Windows detect it again. This forces a device refresh. Make sure to restart the PC afterward so drivers finish installing and the network stack renews. If the adapter remains hidden, check BIOS or UEFI to ensure the onboard NIC is enabled, and reinstall chipset or motherboard drivers. These control hardware enumeration. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: try the adapter on another port or a USB NIC to determine whether the fault is hardware versus software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.